Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, is believed to have taken 10 different avatars or incarnations to save the world from various threats. Let's take a look at each of these avatars in brief. The first avatar of Lord Vishnu is Matsya avatar, where he appeared as a giant fish to save the world from a great flood. In his second avatar, Vishnu took the form of a giant turtle called Kurma. He served as the pivot point for the mountain used as a churning rod to obtain the elixir of immortality. Vishnu appeared as a boar called Varaha avatar to rescue the earth goddess Prithvi from the demon Hiranyaksha. In his Narasimha avatar, Vishnu appeared as a half-man, half-lion creature to defeat the demon king Hiranyakashipu. Vishnu appeared as a dwarf Brahmin, called Vamana avatar to trick the demon king Bali and regain control of the 3 worlds for the gods. In his Parashurama avatar, Vishnu appeared as a fierce warrior with an axe to eradicate corrupt rulers from the earth and restore righteousness. In his Rama avatar, Vishnu appeared as the heroic prince Rama to defeat the demon king Ravana and establish the ideal of the perfect ruler. Vishnu appeared as the playful cowherd boy Krishna, called Krishna avatar, who taught humanity the path of devotion and love through his divine leelas. In his Buddha avatar, Vishnu appeared as the Buddha to teach humanity the path of non-attachment and compassion. Finally, Vishnu will appear as the Kaki avatar, riding a white horse to end the current age of darkness and establish a new age of righteousness and truth. These 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu remind us that divinity takes many forms, and that ultimate truth and righteousness will always prevail.